Tibet is a country, not a Chinese province. Let the world hear the truth, not Beijing's lies. Tibet was free, Tibet is occupied, and Tibet must be free again. Here's why. First, we have our own national flag. Raised for over a century, it is a symbol of our sovereignty, our pride, and our identity. No Chinese province has its own flag, but Tibet does, because Tibet is a nation. Second, our language is completely different from Chinese. Tibetan writing, grammar, and speech have no connection to Mandarin. We are not a Chinese ethnicity. We are Tibetan, with our own culture, our own voice. Third, we had our own currency. The Tibetan srang, tanka, and sho were issued and used across our land. A separate economy, a separate system. That's what sovereign nations have. Fourth, we issued our own travel documents and postage stamps. Tibetan passports allowed travel abroad. Tibetan stamps carried messages across the Himalayas. That's not what provinces do, that's what countries do. Fifth, we had our own army. Tibetan soldiers defended our borders and our people. We were not protected by China. We defended ourselves from China. And sixth, we had a fully functioning government with foreign relations. We signed treaties, we sent envoys, we met with global leaders. Only an independent nation can do that. These are not myths, they are historical facts. Tibet met every definition of a sovereign nation. Then in 1950, China invaded. In 1951, under threat of war, Tibet was forced into a fake agreement. But occupation is not unification. A gun to the head is not consent. And silence is not acceptance. We, the Tibetan people, never gave up our nation, and we never will. Tibet was a country. Tibet is a country. Tibet will always be a country. Free Tibet.